Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Full Deck Challenge 2 hosted by Shana of Shinoki Art. And we're on card 28 and our prompts are leftovers. So I've got bits and pieces left over from previous projects just laying around on my desk. So it'll be good to use some of this stuff up. Please be sure and check out Shana's channel at Shinoki Art and be sure and check out the hashtag Full Deck Challenge 2 to see what everyone else has made. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here's my finished card, and I love how it turned out. I had this bit of ephemera left over from my correspondence journal digital, and it was too small to use as a tuck or anything really, or I wasn't sure where to do it, but I love how it looks on this card. I just tore it down, added some background page, used this little piece of zigzag strip that my friend Cheryl sent me, and put in my dreams, and which I believe I'm gonna just go around a little bit so that can be highlighted a little bit more. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Be sure and check out Shana's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag Full Deck Challenge 2 to see what everyone else has made. So until next time, bye y'all.